Hello class, so welcome to our tutorial today. So today I'm going to discuss with you about the momentum and changing momentum, or sometimes know what we call it impulse. Okay, so let's define first, what is momentum. Okay, so what is momentum? Okay, so for example, in a car collision, so when we say collision, nagkabanggaan, so which causes greater damage? So alin daw yung magkakaroon ng malaking damage sa isang sasakyan? So here now we have options: a massive car, a fast car, massive and fast moving car. Okay. So the correct answer dito is yung letter C. Okay, why it's letter C? No? Because kapag merong collision, imagine natin, when we say massive, so ibig sabihin, mabigat. Okay, so it means na there's a mass. So halimbawa, kapag sobrang mabigat, no, yung isang, let's say, sasakyan, tapos sobrang mabilis, of course, magkakaroon yun ng malaking impact. Okay, magkakaroon na yun ng malaking damage kapag nabunggo or nabangga sa, let's say, sa wall or sa isang sasakyan. Bakit hindi yung A? Kasi kapag mabigat lang, halimbawa naman, totoo nga, no, mabigat, pero hindi naman ganun kabilis. So, hindi ganun malaki yung impact. Ito naman, mabilis nga, pero halimbawa naman, hindi siya mabigat. So, hindi yun magkakaroon ng malaking impact. So, that's why, kapag mabigat at the same time, mabilis, so, dyan yung magkakaroon ng bigger impact. So, sa isang collision. Okay, so, other example. Okay, a car collides with a fixed wall. So, halimbawa, ito yung fixed wall at nabangga dito sa wall na yan. So, how can the damage be reduced? So, when we say reduce, paano ba malesen natin yung malaking impact or yung damage? Okay. So, here, the answer is letter B. It has a softer bumper at the front, so it stops in a longer time. So, yung bumper dito sa sasakyan, dapat soft siya. Because once the bumper is soft, it will lessen the impact or yung damage ng isang sasakyan. So that's the purpose of the bumper. Okay. So let's discuss further now what is momentum. Okay, so experience tells us that the heavy fast car causes greater damage than heavy slow car or light fast car. So that's what I mentioned earlier. Okay. Mas importante doon kung gaano kabigat at gaano kabilis. Both. Okay, dalawa. So both mass and velocity are important physical quantities for studying moving objects. And the momentum, so this is the formula for the momentum. So momentum is equals to mass times the velocity. So the unit here, this is kilogram meter per second. Okay, so I can write this kilogram meter per second. So this is the unit for the momentum.